The marching band from T.W.Josey High School. Always a parade favorite, not only here, but throughout the country whenever they travel and put on shows. So, this, of course, later on in the parade, we're supposed to get a look at the T.W.Josey girls state champion basketball team. But this is the marching band from Josey, which always a crowd pleaser. So we'll be quiet and let you enjoy them for a moment. And Dr. Charles Smith, of course, the director over at T.W.Josey, and a long and proud tradition for the Sonic Boom in the South, the marching band from T.W.Josey High School. They participated in several Christmas and Thanksgiving parades in and around the country. And always a staple of any Augusta parade, of course, looked forward to by everyone.